Okay, this first one was trickier than the other one because you guys tend to struggle when you have a number as your base instead of a variable. So I did this in the last video too, just in case you watched it. But let's think about this. What would this be if we had x to the fourth over x to the sixth? Well, you would subtract the exponents and get 2, and it would wind up on the bottom because that's where our bigger exponent is. So it would be x to the second power, and we'd slap a 1 up top. Okay, this is no different. We're just going to replace the x with a 5. So we're going to have 1 on the top, and instead of x to the second, it would be 5 to the second. And there's your fraction bar right here. You could also have subtracted the exponents. So 4 minus 6 would give you a negative 2, and that's not happy. It wants to go down to the bottom. So we could put it down here with a 1 on top. Finally, the last way you could have thought about this is you could have expanded it. So let's say that you're really kind of confused about the rules and you're not really sure what's going on. Well, you can always just write it out and see what's happening. So we have 5 4 times up here and 6 times down here. These cancel out, these cancel out, these cancel out, these cancel out, and this is what I'm left with. 5 to the second power, nothing on top, so I put a 1. So I've just shown you 3 different ways to do this. It would be 1 over 5 squared, and I also took 1/25 because you could have evaluated that. But I did say to leave an exponential form. All right, for B, we're going to tackle these numbers first. So think back, well, we know it's going to be a negative, but think back to elementary school. This is an improper fraction, 15/10. And all you really have to do here is simplify. So we know that 5 goes into both of them. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And now f to the 12th over f to the 8th, we're going to subtract those exponents, and it goes where the bigger exponent is, which is on the top. So that's your answer there.